Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So it's a day 18th. Today we are discuss about replace and two line sentence and tab spacing. So firstly, I have stored the al in the algo. I have stored the neural network, and I want to replace this space with this dash. So I write like a algo dot replace, and in the bracket, firstly we write the whatever we want to replace and with which, right? So with dash we want to replace with this space, and then we run this. After running we get this, but this is only for displaying purpose, not actually the actuality in the algo. What is the store in the actual? This is it. Okay. This is only for displaying. Now I will discuss about two line sentences. Okay. So firstly, in the print, I run this. If you have seen, this sentence is come in the one line. The sentence I'm not enjoying at all. uh and this is only in the one line. Okay, but I want to get this in the two lines. Okay, so how I can do this? So just like okay, like I have written this sentence I'm not enjoying at all, but I want to is this sentence in the double line? I want to this at all in the second line. So before this, I write the this oblique and this for the double line, second line. Okay, so now after write this, we get in the two line sentences. I get this at all in the second line. Okay. Now I have discussed about a tap space. Tap space. If you want in any sentence, in any words you want to space and space like a tab space. It means you want to be a tab spacing. You want so. Uh, you want more spacing, right? So you do like that. I'm not enjoying, and you want to space in between the enjoying or and in between the at. Okay, so you write la oblique and t. It gives you the spacing, more space like a tab. Okay, if you do this, right, there's a tab spacing. It's a more spacing you get in this in between this. So that's for all today. I hope you understand well. Okay, bye.